Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty and science meet. If you're on a quest for that dewy, youthful glow and smoother skin, then you're going to want to hear about today's product. We're diving into the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid face serum, a powerhouse serum designed to hydrate, plump, and reduce wrinkles, all in one. But is it the miracle serum it claims to be, or just another hype in a bottle? Let's take a closer look. L'Oreal's Revitalift serum features a potent 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid formula, known for its hydration-boosting properties. This serum is designed to immediately moisturize the skin, making it feel dewy and plump from the first application. The combination of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid is a thoughtful touch, as it helps to deeply hydrate at different skin depths. Plus, it's paired with vitamin C, a tried-and-true antioxidant that works to brighten the complexion and reduce signs of aging. The formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free, which makes it suitable for a wide range of skin types, from sensitive to mature skin. In terms of how it fits into your routine, the lightweight gel texture of the serum absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky or greasy residue. I found it was a dream to layer under makeup, acting almost like a primer and giving my skin that radiant, smooth finish. It's one of those products you can easily incorporate into both your morning and evening skincare rituals. Plus, it delivers instant relief for dry skin, ideal for those of us battling the harsh effects of weather or indoor heating. When testing the serum, I applied it every morning for a week, focusing on my forehead and cheek areas, which tend to show fine lines and dryness. Immediately, my skin felt deeply hydrated. No surprise there, given the high concentration of hyaluronic acid. After about a week, I could definitely notice my skin feeling firmer and more elastic, and the fine lines around my eyes seemed softened. There's something undeniably satisfying about the instant glow it gives your complexion, almost as if the skin is drinking up the moisture and returning the favor by looking smoother and plumper. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is fast-absorbing, lightweight, and non-greasy, which is ideal for people who don't want a heavy layer of product on their skin, especially before makeup. It also works great for all skin types. On the downside, while I did experience smoother skin over time, the reduction in wrinkles was more subtle. This isn't a magic eraser for deep wrinkles, but it definitely helps keep the skin looking fresher. When it comes to value for money, the L'Oreal Revitalift serum does deliver solid results, especially considering it's one of the top-selling hyaluronic acid serums globally. It offers impressive hydration and radiance for a price point that's much more accessible than luxury options. However, if you're looking for something more targeted to deep wrinkle reduction or long-term skin regeneration, you might want to explore higher-end treatments that specifically focus on those concerns. Speaking of comparisons, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few that stand out. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum comes in at a similar price and is another hyaluronic acid-based serum, though it lacks the added boost of vitamin C. If you're willing to splurge, something like the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum would offer a more potent blend of vitamin C, but it comes with a heftier price tag. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The pump dispenser is a convenient feature, preventing any unnecessary waste and keeping things hygienic. As for longevity, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I haven't experienced any changes in texture or scent, which is a good sign that the product holds up well over time. For those who may have concerns about customer support, L'Oreal generally has a reputation for being responsive. While I haven't personally interacted with their team, they offer an easy-to-navigate customer service system for inquiries and returns, which is always a plus. To wrap things up, this serum is a solid pick for those looking to enhance their skin's hydration and glow without splurging. It delivers a noticeable difference in skin texture, firmness, and radiance. However, if you're hoping for dramatic wrinkle reduction, you may need to look into more intensive treatments. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this. Your support really helps us continue providing you with the most genuine beauty insights. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.